How do I know if I have successfully left a group chat on FaceTime permanently?
Hello there. Ever found yourself wanting to leave a group chat on FaceTime but unsure if you've done it correctly? Today, we're going to clarify how you can confirm if you've successfully left a group chat in FaceTime permanently. Let's dive in.
Checking your chat list.
The first step in confirming your exit is to check your chat list on FaceTime. Once you've left a group chat, it should no longer appear in your ongoing chats list. Here's how you do it. 1. Open the FaceTime app on your device. 2. Tap the eye icon next to the group chat you've just left. 3. If the group chat is not visible in your chat list, congratulations. You've successfully left the group. Remember, the absence of the group chat from your chat list is the most direct indicator that you have successfully left.
Absence of new messages notifications.
Another sign that you have successfully left a group chat in FaceTime is the absence of new messages notifications from the group. When you leave a group chat, you will no longer receive notifications about new messages. This is because leaving a group chat means you have stopped participating in it. Therefore, there won't be any further disturbances from that chat.
Double checking by asking other members.
A surefire way to know if you've left a group chat is to ask a remaining member of the group. They can check the list of members in the group chat. If your name is no longer there, you've successfully left the group. Remember, this should be your last resort if you're still uncertain after going through the first 2 steps. So there you have it. By checking your chat list, noting the absence of new message notifications, and confirming with a remaining group member, you can be confident that you've successfully left a FaceTime group chat. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, your peace of mind is important, so don't hesitate to step away from group chats if they're becoming overwhelming. Happy FaceTiming!